Alright, I just want to quickly show you guys how a single pole switch is wired. So in case if you are trying to work in the switch, or if you're just trying to understand how it's wired or how it works, just step by step. Okay, so this is our switch, this is our light. You can see wire coming in from the light. I'm just bending it that way, and this wire right here is basically our power. This is our line. Pretty much this is what is coming from the electrical panel. Okay, so we have 3 sets of wires here, bare, our ground, and then we have our neutral, white, and then black, or hot wire. Okay, so before you even touch any of these wires, if you're, let's say, trying to replace the switch, of course you will always double check if these wires don't have a power, even though you turned off your breaker. Okay, so here's how it's wired. So the ground that is coming from the electrical panel right here, we have to connect it to the ground of the light, and I have a pigtail here which I'm going to be using to connect it to the switch. So I'm going to create this pigtail, pretty much connecting all the grounds together, put it in there nicely, and then I'm still bending the wires where they're coming from. So this is coming from the power, this is coming from the power. So we're going to connect the neutral wire as well. So neutral wire usually is not interrupted and it's not switched, so it goes straight to the light. Okay, so you might have multiple lights, but the point is neutral wire will always be connected inside of the box like this, and it will be in there. And since our switch is a single pole switch, it has 2 terminals to connect. This is what we have. So we have 2 black wires. One is going to be our load, which is the light bulb is our load, and the line, this is hot wire that is coming from electrical panel. This is our essentially power will be flowing through the switch, and when you turn it on and off, your light will be pretty much turning the power on and off. Okay, so first thing first, you will have to connect the ground wire to this green screw. Again, I might not do a good job here, but this is purely for demonstration purposes only. And when you connect these 2 black wires, again, I prefer to side mount them, make a loop and connect it. It doesn't matter which terminal which wire goes, okay, because it's just a simple on and off switch, mechanical. And alright, let me make a loop on this one as well, so I can connect it to the sides. So connecting it to the side. Okay, so, and also you can see this switch has off on sign. So usually this is how you install it. So the ground has to be on top, and when you push it into the box, make sure this ground doesn't come and kind of like touches the, or comes close to the hot wires right here, because it's going to trip the circuit. So, and then you just put it nicely into the box. You just mount it to the box, and then you can test it out. So now we have a power in this box. When we turn on, we have the light on, turn off, light is off. Okay, so this is a very simple way of installing a single pole switch. If you're adding it in the garage, or if you're just trying to replace it, so it's pretty straightforward. Switch may be different. You might have a decora, but they all have, if it's single pole, 2 terminals, and it doesn't matter where you connect those 2 black wires, okay, which terminal it gets connected. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps. See you in the next one.